So guys, before you start working on Canva, you have to make sure your lock or rotation is released. Then you have to go to your Chrome browser, whichever browser that you're using. Turn your phone to be horizontal, right? Then click here to be sure your phone is on desktop side. So once you click there, just scroll down, you'll see mine is already on desktop site. Then you're good to go. So now on this search bar, we'll be typing sticker for drinks, because that's what I'm actually designing. Sticker for drinks. So if you look at these stickers now, you will see the ones that has this pro tag on them. It means it's for paid version. But if you want to use it for free, you can look for those that doesn't have this pro tag, right? Like this, it doesn't have it, and so many of them doesn't have it. So I'm just going to pick any one, and then I'm going to work with that. Okay, so I'll select this. So when you select any one, even the ones that doesn't have that pro tag, make sure you read here. Read this place very well, because some of them can contain paid elements. Okay, so read them and be sure that it doesn't have any paid elements. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this, customize this template, and then I'll give it time to load. So once it has loaded, I'll just use my two thumbnail to drag it, okay, so that I can to zoom it, right? So I'm going to change a lot of elements here. To be honest with you, I don't really know what I want to do, but I'm just going to follow my mind. So this is where your creativity comes up, right? You know what is in your mind, you know what you want to do. And if even after doing that, you can actually redo it again if you are not satisfied with what you did, okay? So I want to apply live pictures into this templates, because I don't like these ones. I don't like these ones. Okay, I'm going to remove them. I took my time to search for the ones that has live pictures, okay, for the drinks, but most of them are for paid version. Most of them has this pro tag on them. So this is why I just selected this. I'm going to use my live drink pictures to do it. But if you want to use live and you don't have any live picture, you can just go to Google and then type what you want, and then you can download the picture from Google. And if you want to remove the background, you just go to remove PG and remove your background. So right now I'm going to start working on this. First, I'm going to remove all of these things that are here. I don't think I like them. So anyone you want to remove, if you click on it, click on that delete icon, and it will just be deleted. Delete icon, it will just be deleted. Like I said, you can just do anything you want to do, okay? Yeah, so now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this pictures with my live picture. So what I'm going to do, I will come over to this side, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'll click on upload, and then I'll click on upload files. I want to bring in my live pictures, okay? So it will take me to my file, and then I'll click on images. So this is the image that I have. I'm going to download them. So once you upload them, it will come under these images. So even is picture videos that you downloaded, it will come up under these videos, audio, and all of that. So the next thing to do now is to click on that image. I'm going to shift it. I need to remove all of these elements. You know, I cannot work on this image very well now because I have not locked the whole of the other elements that are on this template. So in case you want to lock them, let me assume that you still want to use the elements on this template. What you're going to do is, so that it will not interrupt your editing on another element. So what you're going to do, you click here on that element, and then you see this key icon. So you click on the key icon, and it's locked. Now there's nothing you do that will make that element to move. Let me show you what I mean. See this element, you can move it, right? Now see the one we locked, you cannot move it. Do you understand? So if you still want to use that element, or any element you have worked on that you don't want it to move around, what you do, you click there and then you click on that key icon and then it will lock it there. It will never move. So I'm going to unlock it now because I want to remove them. So this is the picture I uploaded. I don't think I need it for now. So when I need it, I will still bring it in. I'm going to use this one. To be honest with you, I don't really know what I am doing. I'm just following my mind, like I said. But after doing it and it didn't turn out well, then I can redo another one. Okay. So now that I've uploaded this image, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold here to drag it so that it will fit in. I want it to fit in. So now that I've dragged it, the next thing I'm going to do, I want to reduce this transparency. Okay. Guys, we are just doing this thing together. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, it has covered it, but I'm going to do something right now. I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to scroll down. I'll click on layer. So if you click on layer, you'll see bring forward, bring to front, send backward, send to back. Okay, so I'm going to click on send to back. Did you see that? So it is at the back right now. Okay, so I'm going to still bring it, and then I'm going to change some images here too. I'm going to remove these images. In fact, I don't even know what I'm doing, guys, but just follow me. I'm going to remove the whole of the images. The next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to change the color of this, right? The one that is in the font now. So I just clicked on it. So any element that you want to change, if you click on it, it will give you options for you to explore, to do whatever that you want to do. Okay, so for this one, I want to change the color. So I just clicked on it. I'm going to click here to change the color. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but let's go. So if you click on it, it's going to give you the document color, right? So these are the colors in that document, in that template that we just downloaded. So but if you don't want to use any of the colors, then you can go ahead to look for other colors. But let me try this color. So you see what I was saying, any element that you do not lock is going to affect your creation in a particular element. So any element you don't need, you delete it or you lock it so that anyone you're working on, it will not affect it. Now I'm trying to work on this one that I changed the color, see what is going on, because I didn't delete these ones and I did not lock them. So I'm going to lock them right now because I'm not sure if I'll need them or not. If not, I would have just deleted them. So I'll just lock them so that I can be able to focus on the one that I'm working with. So I'm going to introduce some drinks. I want to add some features. I'll go back here to click on this uploads. So it will bring up under it you'll see the ones that I've uploaded. So I want to use another one. I'll click on upload files, media picker, and I'll select this one. Then I'll click on it to appear. If you want to rotate it, this is what you do. You see this icon here? See this icon? You just hold it and then you rotate it anyhow you want to rotate it, okay? So I'm going to minimize the picture. So if you want to move the picture without any interruption, I think you just click here, hold here to see that icon, just hold it and then move your picture, right? I want to minimize it small. So this is where you minimize it. Click here or here to minimize or increase it. So this size is not bad. I'm going to introduce another image. I'll go over here to download more images. click on upload, then I'll click on upload files, media picker. So I'm going to click on this milkshake. So I'm going to place it here. Okay, I'll just keep this one straight, then I'll apply this one. So remember, you have to, this is where you click if you want to turn it. Okay, so we can minimize it, and I'll bring it down here. So I want to change that background. Yeah, I want to change this, right? I'm going to delete it, and then I'll use, let me try this to see whether it will be fine. I want to use this. Remember what we did? We reduced the transparency and then we sent it back, right? So what you're gonna do, you click on this, remember what we did? Click on this dot sign, scroll down, click on layer, click on send to back. Okay, so it's at the back right now. Did you see that? It's at the back right now. So let's check on the transparency. This is where you check the transparency. It should be 100%. It's not that really pronounced. So guys, remember, anyone you finish working on, please lock it. Okay, so like this one, we are done working on it. So we're going to lock it. Click on this key icon to lock it. This is not bad. Let me add another element. Just click on elements, shape. I'm going to use this shape. We're going to click on it and then we click on this dot sign. So send it backward. Click on layer, send it back. So it's at the back right now. So I'm clicking back on this background. This is my image background. I'll click on that dot sign and then I'll send it back. Click on layer. I'll send it back. Right now I'm going to be writing. Okay, I'm going to edit. I'm going to put my name on it. So I'll click on these drinks, right? So when I click on these drinks, if you still want to use that font, this is what you do. You click on this sign button. You click on this icon to duplicate it. Okay, so you now drag it down to where you want to. Since you still want to use that font, that is if you still want to use the font, right? Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to click on it, on that drum, then I'm going to write my name. If you click on it, you click on it again, then it will highlight the name there and then you type your name, type your business name. So this is my business name. I'm going to adjust it. I'll use this to minimize. Just follow up with what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to change the font right now. If you want to change the font, this is where you click. So you're going to see a lot of fonts here. So then I'm going to use this font. But like I said, this is where your creativity comes in. So you know what you want. So if you tap on that text, you can actually make it bold, right? Yeah. So if you want to change the color, you click here to change the color. So I clicked on text to add some text to the design. Okay, so while I was scrolling down, I saw a sticker that has kind of a pink design. So I like the design and then I had to click on it to add it to my template. So after adding it to the template, I double clicked on it so that it can highlight, and then I'll type in what I wanted to type in. As you can see, I was typing in thank you until I saw that sticker. So I decided to use that sticker. Okay, so right now I was typing in thank you. So after typing in that, I had to drag it to make it fit in, okay? But then I realized I don't like that shape. I had to, if you look at this now, you notice that I changed that color again to light pink, very light pink, okay? Also, I changed the thank you to fresh strings, and then that shape under that fresh string is gotten from Element, and then I had to change the color. So when you're done, just click on that share up there by the right side, and then click on download. Scroll down, click on the PDF standard to select JPG, and then click on download.